Django, say hi. Say hi, Django. What are you doing, Django? Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, give the kisses to the camera. Say hi, Paula. That's a cutie. That's a cutie.
Oh.
Why don't you play with your spider?
Where's that spider?
Look at, who's this staring at you?
Spider?
Who's that staring at you? Stitchers.
Where's your spider? Where's your spider, buddy? Get that spider. Where's that spider, Django? Where's that spider?
It's over here. I'll get it in a sec.
Over here.
I'm ladylike.
Yeah.
Thank you, Django.
Who's that? Who's that?
Django.
Who's that?
Django. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Where's your toy?
Where's that spider?
There's Lilo. Hi. Oh, she meow. Meow, meow. She's like, I don't know what the hell's going on in here.
Yeah, he thinks this is his opportunity. Look at him. He wants to pop that kid so bad.
Must bop. Get Django. Get Django. Get.
Get boy. Yeah.
Stitch, unpuff your tail.
He's trying to corner him.
Now that's ruining the video, Stitch.
Yeah.
Your nastiness is not wanted. Oh, hi, buddy. Look at the camera. Oh, hello, pretty boy. Oh, you are gorgeous. Yeah. What's Laura holding in your face? There's that evil cat.
Yeah, he's sneaking up on him.
Evil kitty.
Ooh.
Pop him, Stitch, pop him. You're cute, Stitch. Hi, buddy. I'm looking at you. Hi, Django. Oh, Django.
Just get him stitched. Get it over with. That'll make you feel better. Just do it. Pop that ass. Get it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get it.
Good boy.
Good boy, yeah.